What is condensation? As the days get colder, you might notice your windows fog up or the glass of your doors drip water. Often mistaken as a product defect, condensation is a common cause of unwanted dampness in the home. Preserve the strength of your windows and doors for years to come and keep your home comfortably dry with our guide to managing condensation. The causes of condensation. There's a common misconception that condensation is caused by poor quality or defective windows and doors. However, this is not the case. In nearly all instances, the key cause of condensation is interior humidity. High interior humidity can lead to structural damage to your home and potential health hazards such as mold growth or wood decay. Because this type of damage often goes unseen within your home's wall cavity, condensation on glass can be a useful visible indicator that humidity levels are too high. Controlling interior condensation. Here are a few tips to help you prevent and manage condensation in your home. Consider installing double glazed windows. Double glazed units tolerate more indoor humidity before fogging up than single pane glass units. Raise the average temperature of the house by 1 or 2 degrees. Depending on many conditions, this can gently reduce the condensation. Open blinds for air circulation. Closed blinds trap warm air in the space between the glass pane and blinds. This air cools and releases moisture in the form of condensation. Use a ceiling fan to circulate warm room air towards windows. Relocate heat vents beneath windows and alfresco doors. Do not block heat vents with furniture or other objects. The placement of these vents promote proper air circulation throughout the house. Air circulation helps dry moisture in the air and distributes heat more efficiently. For unoccupied and unheated rooms, keep interior doors open. This promotes air circulation throughout the house. Vent all appliances to the outdoors. For example, make sure you open a door or window in your laundry when the dryer is on. Run exhaust fans in the kitchen and bathrooms. Make sure all vent ducts are clear of lint and other obstructions. Turn the humidifiers down as the temperature outside gets colder.